Take 3. Teka. What if malaman nyo laman ng For You page ko? Game.
Hi guys! Get ready with me for my dog's vaccination. Alam niyo ba, isa sa mga pinaka-importanteng ginagawa ko as a pet owner, syempre except sa pag-aalaga at pagpapakain sa kanila, is getting their vaccination updated. Ito nga pala yung pet ko, si Boji. 2 years ko ng pet si Bodge, and although I read in an article na after 16 weeks old, you can have their rabies vaccination updated every 1 to 3 years. He had an incident kasi recently na nangagat siya. So, it's better to be safe than sorry na lang, diba? Syempre, that vaccination is not only for the safety of our dogs, but also for our own safety. Human babies nga, pinapavaksinan, fur babies pa kaya natin. So, here's the final look. Sorry, hindi ko napakita yung paglagay ko ng ibang makeup. But I'll update you na lang din kung kamusta yung vaccination ng aking dog. Just got home from the vet. Medyo natakot si Boji, pero it is what he needs. So, always remember guys to get your dogs vaccinated to keep them safe and keep other people safe. Bye!
Yo, what's up mga doggies? It's med school quiz time. Let's find some med students. Uy! Ayun si Kuya. Ano pangalan mo, Kuya? Anong year ka na?
First year.
So ito kasi, meron kami med school quiz time. So tatanungin kita ha.
No.
So, what's the diagnosis for a person who has a fever, headache, and a sore throat, but starts showing signs of confusion, aggression, and difficulty swallowing with a history of an animal bite a few days ago?
Bacterial infection ba to or parang virus lang? Is it rabies ba?
Yes, that's correct. So yung mga sinabi ko sa'yo, yung early symptoms ng rabies. So dapat kayo, pag nakagat kayo ng hayop, magpabakuna kayo ha.
Suspect, so sobrang liit, mas malaki pa yung aso sa kanya.
Hoy, at least cute ako, no?
Suspect, may asong mas madalas mamaligo kayo sa kanya.
Ha? Amuin mo pa ako. Suspect, walang jowa, kaya 10 aso minahal.
Mahal ko.
Suspect, may alagang aso hinding bakunado.
Oo, nababakunahan ko na. Happy.
Hi, I'm an animal rights activist, and of course I promote for responsible pet ownership. And this does not only mean that we provide them with food and shelter, but also to ensure their health and safety. Kailangan pa din natin ilagay sa ating mga listahan ang pagpapabakuna ng ating mga pets para maiwasan ng rabies. And huwag kayong maging passive, protect our fur babies, and protect the people around you.
Alam niyo po ba, ang rabies ay isang sakit na pwede ikamatay. Pinakauna pong simptomas is headache, fever, at potentially din po sore throat. At kung mas lumala pa po ito, pwede itong makadulot ng hallucinations, paranoia, at confusion. Kung talagang dito na agapan kaagad, pwede din ito ikamatay ng tao. Kaya importante na maalagaan natin sarili natin at saka maalagaan din natin mga aso natin.
Doktora, nakagat kasi ako nito.
Kung nakagat po kayo ng aso na di po kayo sure na may rabies o hindi, best choice nyo po is pumunta sa nearest animal bite center nyo po para mabigyan po kayo ng rabies prophylaxis. Para ensure tayo na wala ka po kayong rabies. Kung kayo sure na may rabies o hindi, best choice nyo po is pumunta sa nearest animal bite center nyo po para mabigyan po kayo ng rabies.